Turn that camera off.
I think the thing I like about music theater most is the challenge of seeing it all come together. And now I think that the challenge for me anyway is to see the kids pull the whole thing together. What I like about this particular production is the kids. I haven't been this attached to a group of kids in a long time. And that's what I like about this particular show. They opened up to accept the little ones with incredible kindness and friendship. The little ones are all very, very attached to the cast and to the kids in the cast, and they are part of it. They were made to feel part of it. And you can't help but, when two of the little ones are yours, and they are mine, but be very proud of the way that the group did that and accepted them and welcomed them and got them involved from the beginning.